get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Watcha, welcome to my story. My name used to be Rosa. I used to live in a Bulgarian town on the coast, just not far from the famous sunny beach down at Talbot. I used to roam these streets of a night, and in the daytime I was abandoned as a puppy, struggling to feed myself, begging at tables and diving into bins with lots of other dogs that were abandoned on the cold nights. But one day I was picked up by lots of kind people from the Dobrich Dog Rescue Centre here in Bulgaria. They looked after me, put me into kennels, got their vets and specialists onto me. They were a charitable non-profit organisation. And all of a sudden one day they popped me into a van once I was healthy and fit. And I found myself travelling nearly 2,000 miles from Talbot in Bulgaria, across many countries, through Bulgaria, up to the north, through Czechoslovakia, Austria, through Germany. This took several hours, as I say, over 2,000 miles. I had no idea what was happening. There's lots of other dogs in the van with me, but the people from Dobrich were looking after us, feeding us every few miles and giving us water, and giving us love that we'd never seen before. All of a sudden I found myself on the high seas and in a new land of England, and I was about, not knowing, to meet my new forever master, my new owner, Stephen from Country Van Life. I'll let Stephen tell some of the story 4 years ago when this happened. Here is Stephen from 4 years ago.
I think it's round about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm expecting a delivery. And you may ask, what the hell is being delivered at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning?
Right, it's 43 in the morning. This is a bit later on, guys, and we've just had a van pull up outside, all the way from Bulgaria. What's outside? We don't know yet. We've got a special delivery, ain't we? Like,
yep.
And we're all tired.
Here goes Grandad.
What is it in that big van there? Hey? Look at the van, son. I wonder what we got delivered in that van.
What we got delivered here?
On a Saturday morning.
Got some food for the delivery people. Oh, who's this?
Who's this? You filming? Who's this? Hello.
Hello, buddy. Hello.
Lovely, thank you. You're welcome. Right. There's some bits and bobs there for you, some food.
Thank you very much. And the big one photo.
Oh. There you go. It might break, so be careful.
Thank you, sir. Safe journey.
What is this?
Here we are in Christine, the first morning with our new companion. Skye's with us. There she is on a little bed you doing, Skye? Hey? You alright? You have a good night? She had a lovely quiet night's sleep. She went to sleep straight away on that bed I've got there at the front. Then she come and jumped on my bed about 6:30 this morning, didn't you? Hey? Didn't you, at about 6:30 this morning? You, Skye, hey? Aren't you? Hey? Aren't you? You're into everything, aren't you? Lovely dog. Lovely looking dog as well. Nice and friendly. Lovely. So she lay on my bed this morning, which was nice. What you doing, eh? What you scratching, eh? I'll get the brush out, give you a good comb, give you a good wash as well later. I'll have all them travels with all those dogs. They've been travelling for about 10 hours. They've been travelling about 10 hours, ain't you? Been travelling, eh? Lovely dog. And there you go, guys. That's Skye, the new member of the family. Country Van Life TV. She's going to be starring on the show. Right, there you go. The secret's out now. I think one or two did guess anyway that because you all knew I was looking for a dog, but I was having major issues with rescue centres in the UK. Yeah. So we went to Bulgaria. My daughter suggested this. Okay. My daughter suggested this, and so there'll be two things happening, kind of thing. I will be rescuing a dog off the streets of Bulgaria, and that dog will be rescuing me, hopefully. Try and bring a bit of love in my life, a bit of companionship, a bit of loyalty as well. You know, got to learn to trust each other, got to learn to love each other as well. So it's going to be a big thing for the channel. You know, it's just a nice thing to do, I think, rescuing dogs off the streets from Bulgaria, because apparently there's thousands. I'll give you the links to the sites, which tells you all about, these are charities, these are, and it costs you around about £400 shipping, and vaccination costs and medication and vet bills and all that has to be done before they come. We started organising this about 2 weeks ago, and it's just come to fruition this morning at 3:00 in the morning. There's I think there was 8 vans or 7 vans that came across, all had about 20-30 dogs in each one, in kennels inside the vans, and they went to all the locations that had adopted a dog all throughout the UK. It gave you all the, just having a look or making a donation or thinking about buying a dog. So it comes to about £400. You get the vet's passport, they get tagged as well. All the vet bills are sorted within that as well. All the transportation and the medication and the wherever quarantines are required, that's all sorted as well. Anyway, should we have a look who we got? We'll have a close look at her now. And she slept brilliantly in the van. It's a big test in the van. Oh, there's a cat over there, that's why. Let's just put you to Skye. Just strip the camera around if I can. Can I spin you around? There she be. Hello, Skye. Come here, Skye. Hello. Come on. Look up here. You're going to be a YouTube star on Country Van Life TV. You are. You're going to be a YouTube star. She's a lovely dog. Say she's a female. She's quite calm and placid. I'm already training. I've only had her, 24 hours, and she's already doing, she's never been trained before. You can tell that, but she's a really placid, lovely dog. What's up here, Skye? Hey, what's up here? You can see she's lovely, aren't you? Hey, yeah, you're lovely, aren't you? I've got all the bedding and all the stuff sorted out, so lovely jubbly. I'll show you a few more clips later. Stay there, Skye. There she is. She's only a medium-sized dog, so she's not too big. So she's already off of the van. And the reason I'm calling her Skye is because that's going to be the first destination she goes to in Christine. That's the first destination we'll be going to. We're going to Skye for a couple of months. We'll probably spend the winter there, so that'll be interesting. Me, Skye and Christine on the Isle of Skye. It's lovely seeing all the owners greeted with the dogs all through the night on that app, that live app. It was amazing. It showed every single van going through the country and dropping off the dogs and doing a picture of the owner with the dog, the new owner with the dogs. But lovely. So hopefully, good old Skye here will sort my head out a little bit, and I can give Skye a nice home instead of her living on the streets over there in Bulgaria. But anyway, we'll look after her, won't we? Eh? We'll look after you. We'll have some journeys. We'll have some adventures together, Skye. Eh? Say ta-da to the camera, Skye. Up here. Eh? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. All right, spin you around. Right, there you go, guys. That's the big news for the channel. We've got a new member in the crew, in the Christine Country Van Life TV crew. We've got me, we've got Christine, and we've got Skye. Lovely jubbly, and she's lovely. let's hope we can work together. You know, I might not suit her, she might not suit me. You know, all things can go on, can't they? But I'm sure I'll be fine. I've had many dogs before and I've trained many dogs, so I'm sure we'll be fine now. We'll be good. We're going to be good. We're going to see lots of adventures. Put some pictures up as well as the end, some little clips of her on her first 24 hours with us. Till then, that's Country Van Life TV. A lovely job, like. So there you go. Me, Christine and Skye, the new Country Van Life TV. I'm sure it'll work out.
Well, Skye has locked Steve out of his van again, but he locked him out just now, and he climbed in one of the side windows. He's come back out, and now he's hit the door and locked him out again, so he's got to go through the bedroom window. I'll never lift you back over that bloody fence. Oh, in he goes, straight in onto the bed. Oh, I don't know. I tell you what, I said to him, I said, perhaps you're not meant to have a dog. Because it nearly set his van on fire the day before yesterday. Well, it did set his van on fire the day before yesterday.
Let's get a bit of quiet, eh? Wow, Skye, what a place. Hey, what a gorgeous place. Look at this. Oh, let's get drone up. Have a look at all these beautiful, there's islets all around in this archipelago. Lovely walks up there. What a beautiful bay. That is what you call a beach. Oh, sandcastles. Sandcastles on the beach. Right. Gorgeous daughters, lovely wife, little one, little boys. She's asleep.
It's really nice to meet you, Stephen.
Skye, oi, come here. Skye. Nice cup of tea on the beach. Christine's just up there. Beautiful. What a glorious day. I love van life. Absolutely stunning. Wow. Wednesday afternoon.
lazing on a golden sand beach on the Suffolk coast in this beautiful little gem that I found here at Borsley, is it? Me and my dog sunbathing, getting the first rays of that lovely gorgeous summer sunshine. Oh, steady Skye. She's got a bowl of water behind me, so she's keeping nice.
Please subscribe to our channel, me and Daddy. Woof! Please subscribe to our channel, me and Daddy. Woof!
Well, we're back live now. Thanks for watching me and my daddy and my adventures, and we're together now. We've been together for 4 years and we built up such a bond now, a bond that never can be broken. I found happiness with my daddy, and my daddy has found peace of mind with our friendship, and long may it continue. From the streets of starving and being alone, I've got a lovely life now, a van life with daddy. Lovely.